So it's the moisture sensor which was given initially. So connect the moisture sensor this to the this. So after connecting this, so here you have mainly the 4 pins: VCC, ground, and digital pin and analog pin. So for the moisture sensor, you can use either analog or the digital pins of the Arduino. You have the option. So we are using analog pin A0, which is connected to the Arduino A0, and VCC and ground to the Arduino VCC and ground. So the next component is LoRa receiver and the ESP8266. So we use several pins of the ESP8266 and connect it to the LoRa receiver with the antenna. And this LoRa receiver, ESP8266, is coded by the wire with the laptop. So this is about it. So similarly, we are using this LCD display 16x2 LCD display with I2C module. So with I2C means this I2C module is connected already to the LCD. So it's having majorly the 4 pins. So the VCC, ground to the 5V and the ground pins, and SDA and SCL to the A4 and A5 analog pins of the Arduino. So these are all the components which we are going to use in this project. So let's start connecting to the Arduino. So initially connect the 5V and the ground of the Arduino to the breadboard. Five volt to the 5V. And ground to the ground. So we made 5V and the ground of the Arduino is similarly transmitted to the breadboard. So we can connect any ground pins to these horizontal row and the 5V to this horizontal. So now let's connect ultrasonic sensor first.